Shakarabanda, Rababashanda Labashikaya. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. It is the garment of praise that is the weapon against the spirit of heaviness. If you are concerned about the day of tomorrow, if you are so deep in debt, it's the only thing that you are thinking about. God is giving you a lifeline. God is giving you a way out in the morning. And that is to put on the garment of praise against the spirit of heaviness. No matter what your circumstances is, start praising God. No matter if you have nothing in your bank account, start praising God. No matter what your child is about in his life, start praising God. No matter where you are at life, start praising God, because in praises there are breakthrough. In praises you can conquer everything that is against you. There is power, Rabakashanda. There is power in the garment of praise, because the garment of praise is praising a living God. Hallelujah. Start praising God no matter what is in your way. Just start praising God and you will get breakthrough. Hallelujah.